Guys, good evening, and today we are learning about topic programming serial communication interrupts by assembly language only, and we have this subject in 4th ECE. Subject name is Microcontroller 8051, and myself Santosh Eji from 4th ECE, College Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. And let's start the video, guys. Let's see from introduction to serial communication interrupts. Serial communication interrupts are essential for handling asynchronous data transmission in real time. And next one is they allow the microcontroller to respond promptly to incoming data without continuously pulling a serial port. Programming serial communication interrupts is assembly language requires a solid understanding of interrupt handling and serial communication protocols. Next one, we are learning about basics of interrupts in assembly language. We have know already that assembly language we have some 4 languages. In that we are using assembly language. Interrupts are signals that can halt the normal program flow to handle specific events of task. In assembly language, interrupts are typically defined by their corresponding interrupt vector addresses. Serial communication interrupts are triggered by the events such as receiving a byte of data or detecting an error of transmission. Setting up and serial communication interrupts. The program serial communication interrupts. The interrupt vector addresses of the serial port must be integrated and configured. The interrupt service routine ESR, the serial communication interrupts should be designed to handle incoming data or other events. Proper initialization of serial port registers and interrupt enable bits is crucial for successful interrupt handling. On to next one, handling data reception interrupts. When a byte of data is received to a serial port, the data reception will be triggered. The ESR of a data restriction interrupt should read the received data from the serial port or buffer and process accordingly. And clearing the interrupt flag and enabling further interrupts are essential steps in handling data interrupts. Handling data transmission interrupts. Data transmission interrupts occur when serial port is ready to send data. The ESR of data transmission interrupt should write the outgoing data of the transmit buffer and initiate the transmission process. And clearing the interrupt flag and enable further interrupts are crucial for continuous data transmission. Error handling in serial communication interrupts. Serial communication interrupts are triggered by error conditions such as swarming errors, software errors. The ESR of errors should handle the specific error condition, take corrective actions and clear the error flag. Proper error handling is in serial communication interrupts ensure reliable data transmission of communication. We know that error handling in serial communication. We want to handle a error in communication interrupts. Serial communication interrupts can also be triggered by error conditions such as framing errors on party errors, and the ESR of ISR of data transmission interrupt should write the outgoing data to the transmit buffer and initiate the transmission process. Clearing the interrupt flag and enabling further inputs are crucial for continuous data transmission. Error handling in serial communication. We have learned about error handling in data transition. Next, we have to learn about error handling communication interrupts. Next, best practices for programming serial communication interrupts. Keep the interrupt service routine use ISR short and efficient to minimize the interrupt legacy. We want to keep our short or efficient to minimize the interrupt system. Otherwise, we have some tough conditions there. And properly initialize and configure the serial port registers and interrupt bits. We have to initialize the common figure of serial port. First, we have to initialize and we have to check the port registers and interrupt enable bits. Test the interrupt handling to ensure correctly functionally under different scenarios. We have to test the handling code throughoutly to ensure the correct transition force. Is that okay? Best part. And handling data, introduction, error handling, and real world applications. We have learned already this, I think. Okay, let's revise once again, guys. Real world applications of serial communication interrupts. Serial communication interrupts are commonly used in applications such as data logging, sensor interfacing, and communication with external devices. Serial communication are commonly using for data and sensor like Microcontroller, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, like that, to use communication with external devices. They enable the microcontroller to handle multiple tasks and simultaneously without missing crucial data. We have to handle the multiple tasks simultaneously without missing critical data. Okay. Efficient programming of serial communication interrupts is crucial for the performance and reliability of embedded system. Embedded system is like C language or C++, like that. And in second point, there are critical data. And in third point, we have interrupts in crucial of the performance and reliability of embedded system. Case study. And we are in final stage. We are learned about topic. What we have learned, we can discuss in this slide. Case study: implementing serial communication interrupts in a microcontroller by the assembly language only. In this case study, we will walk through the process of programming and serial communication interrupts in a specific microcontroller. We will cover setting up the interrupt vector data address, defining the ESR, handling data, reception of transmission interrupts, and error handling. We have already covered the interrupt vector address and defining the ESR, handling and error handling in communication, real world applications, and basic practice of interrupt systems. Like that, we have learned in this topic. And efficient programming of serial communication interrupts is crucial for the performance and reliability of embedded system. Same as embedded system here also. The case study will provide the practical insights into implementing serial communication interrupts in real world scenarios. Yeah, we can see these scenarios in real world applications. And conclusion, we are in final stage of this PPT slide. Programming serial interrupt assembly language is essential for efficient handling asynchronous data. By mastering the programming of serial communication interrupt, development can enhance the bit of embedded system. This is what we learned in this topic. Hope you have liked this. Please like this video. Okay guys, thank you. We meet in next video. This is our topic we have learned today. Okay guys, thank you. Bye bye.